Hi guys, welcome to our channel Cricket Madness. Please like, share and subscribe our channel Cricket Madness. This will encourage us to make more videos on cricket. Today we are going to speak about interesting and trending topic, concussion substitute. In this video, let's see what is concussion substitute, when it can be used and how it can be used, when it came to an act, some interesting facts about it, and let's see the incident between Australia-India match of usage of concussion substitute where Justin Langer had a heated argument with David Boon, and also the Ian Chappell's view on Maxwell's switch hits. Let's go to the video and see one by one. Come on. So now let's see what is concussion substitute. Before going to that, what is meaning of concussion? Concussion is an injury to the brain that results in the temporary loss of normal brain function. So what does substitute means? It's just a person replacement for a person. It's called a substitute. Now you will be knowing about what is concussion and substitute. Let's see what is concussion substitute in the cricketing terms. It's a just like for like replacement. You have got a question, what is like for like replacement? Now let me answer it. If you see a bowler in the field gets injured in his head, a bowler can replace from the squad. And also likewise it's for batsman too. If a batsman get injured in the field, a batsman from the squad can get replaced him. And also it's for all-rounder. But in today's match what happened means Jadeja was an all-rounder. He get replaced with the Chahal. But other than Chahal, if you see Bumrah, Saini and Shreyas Iyer. India took Chahal. It's nothing wrong in it. But Justin Langer was not happy about this decision and he was having a heated argument with the David Boon. But anyways, it's in the book. If you get injured at the head, you would be going for examine and another player would replace you. This is the rule. So India gone through that rule. As Justin Langer was unhappy, Chahal made him even more unhappy by getting the man of the match. So let's see the history of concussion substitute. July 2019, International Cricket Council agreed to use concussion substitute all around the international matches from August 1, 2019. The first team to be used was Australia in second Ashes, where Steven Smith got hurt in his head while Archer was bowling and got replaced with Labuschagne, where he scored 59 runs and he had a great series, and now he cemented his place in the Australia playing 11s. Now Usman Khawaja has lost his place in the squad and the 11s. Let's see what is a normal substitute means. Before this concussion came into act, there was a substitute. So substitute is nothing but he can only field. If he is a bowler or a batsman got hurt, the another player can come as substitute. He can only field. That was a normal substitute we had when this act was not there. Before like 2000 July, August 1, 2019, only substitute was there. After that only this concussion substitute came. So guys, let me say you an interesting thing. When this substitute was introduced, and I'm saying about normal substitute only, not the concussion substitute. A normal substitute when it was introduced means 1891. There was a university match between Cambridge and Oxford, where Oxford player Thomas got injured and he was replaced with Fredericks in that match. This was the first ever substitute in the history of cricket. Anyways, what do you think about today's Chahal replacement of Jadeja? Do you think it's a fair or unfair? Comment in the box. So guys, now let's see why Ian Chappell says it's unfair to Maxwell's switch hits. Because in cricketing world, both the batsman and the bowler should have an equal advantage, but it's not. Batsman has more advantage than bowler. If a batsman goes outside of the crease before the bowler bowls, it's nothing. If a bowler bowls outside of the crease, if he steps out, it's a no ball. It's totally unfair, right? And next thing also, if you see if a right hand bowler says right arm over stick, and if he sets the fielding according to the right handed batsman, The batsman also should not switch his hand to hit 6 or 4 or a single, because it's an unfair thing. See, bowler cannot switch his hand and bowl. See, if he says right hand, he should bowl in right hand. If he says left hand, he should bowl in left hand. Likewise, it's for batsmen. That was Ian Chappell's view. He has given his views. I think Ian Chappell is right about it, but it's not in the book of cricket. Batsman can turn around 360 and play. That's why ABD is called as Mr. 360. And also, guys, what do you think about this view, view of Ian Chappell on Maxwell switch it? What do you guys think? It's a fair or unfair thing? Guys, please like, share and subscribe our channel Cricket Pandas. This will encourage us to make more videos on cricket. Okay guys, today I thought of sharing with you one thing. Today I got t-shirts which from Amazon. Go and buy it. I'm not promoting it, just sharing my views. It's really good. Its t-shirt is really good. Go and buy it. It's in the Amazon. I'll put in the description. And also guys, if you like this video, share with your friends. Thank you all. Bye. Cheers.